Isaac, what are you doing? Okay. Uh-oh. Only wash the floor, remember? Mm-hmm. It's all done? That's wash? Yeah, that's wash. Are you washing the floor? No, what are you doing? Wash.
Hundreds of women struck their stuff the championship team they want to cheer for. And the Rangers give back how their wives are helping the community.
You washing the chair? Are you gonna scrub hard? Oh no, don't wash the table. Remember, only the floor and chair. Yep. Is the floor all clean? It's clean?
A new building and memorial are rising above ground zero underneath a museum dedicated to
Say hi.
Hi.
Love you.
Are you
Are you washing the can?